Hello everyone, welcome back to the Competitive Exam 365 and I am Manjunath. In this video, we will discuss some of the most important and expected questions of KSET 2025 paper on question paper. And without wasting any time, let's move on to the first question. Which of the following is the most important goal of teaching? Option A, completing syllabus on time. Option B, transmitting information only. Option C, facilitating learning and developing thinking skills. Option D, giving frequent homework. Option C, facilitating learning and developing thinking skill. It is correct answer. Second question. Constructivist approach in teaching empathizes. Option A, teacher as a primary source of knowledge. Option B, student constructing their own understanding through the experience. Option C, strict rote memorization. Option D, teaching only through the lectures. Option B, student constructing their own understanding through experience. It is correct answer. Third question. Formative assessment is mainly used to. Option A, award final grades at the end of course. Option B, monitor student learning and give feedback during learning. Option C, rank students for prizes. Option D, replace summative assessment. Option B, monitor students learning and give feedback during learning. It is correct answer. Fourth question. A hypothesis in research is. Option A proven fact. Option B, a tentative statement that can be tested. Option C, a summary of results. Option D, a list of literature. Option B, a tentative statement that can be tested. It is correct answer. Fifth question. Which of these is a qualitative research? Option A, experimental lab measurement of reaction time. Option B, interviewing teachers about their classroom practices. Option C, counting number of students absent every day. Option D, calculating test score averages. Option B, interviewing teachers about their classroom practices. It is correct answer. Sixth question. Random sampling in research is used to. Option A, ensure every unit has an equal chance of selection and reduce bias. Option B, select only the best students. Option C, guarantee of 100% accuracy. Option D, choose easy to reach respondents only. Option A, ensure every unit has an equal chance of selection and reduce bias. It is correct answer. Seventh question. The main purpose of reading comprehension is to. Option A, read silently faster than others. Option B, understand, interpret and use the information in a text. Option C, underline as many words as possible. Option D, translate the text word by word to another language. Option B, understand, interpret and use information in a text. It is correct answer. Eighth question. While skimming a passage, you should mainly. Option A, read every word slowly. Option B, look for main ideas and overall structure quickly. Option C, memorize exact sentences. Option D, translate each paragraph. Option B, look for main ideas and overall structure quickly. It is correct answer. Ninth question. An inference drawn from a passage is. Option A direct statement always given in the text. Option B, a conclusion based on clues and information in the text. Option C, a random unrelated idea. Option D, a copy of the first statement. Option B, a conclusion based on clues and information in the text. It is correct answer. 10th question. Which element is most important for effective verbal communication? Option A, speaking very fast. Option B, clear message and appropriate language for the audience. Option C, using complex vocabulary always. Option D, avoiding any eye contact. Option B, clear message and appropriate language for the audience. It is correct answer. If this video is helpful, then please donate 5 rupees. 11th question. Non-verbal communication includes option A, written essay only, option B, facial expression, gesture and posture and eye contact, option C, only spoken words, option D, multiple choice questions, option B, facial expression, gestures, postures and eye contact. Active listening primarily requires option A, interrupting to correct the speaker, option B, paying attention, showing interest and giving feedback, option C, thinking of your response while the other speaks, option D, nodding without understanding, option B, paying attention and showing interest and giving feedback. It is correct answer. 13th question. If a student solve 3 questions in a 12 minutes at the same rate of how many minutes for the 7 question? Here for 3 question he take 12 minutes and for 7 question how many minutes? So just do the cross multiplication. 7 into 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 7 into 4 is 28. So option B 28 it is correct answer. 14th question. Which of these is an example of deductive reasoning? Option A, observing birds fly and concluding they can all migrate. Option B, if all mammals have lungs and a whale is a mammal, then whale has the lungs. Option C, guessing based on a hunch without facts. Option D, estimating average height from a photo. Option B, if all mammals have a lungs and a whale has a mammal, then a whale has a lungs. It is correct answer. 15th question. A logical sequence of numbers 2, 4, 8, 16. Then we need to find the next number. Here they have given there 2, 4, 8, 16. We need to find next number. Here just observe that they are multiplying with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Then 16 into 2 is 32. That is option C 32. It is correct answer. 16th question. Which statement is logically equivalent to if P then Q? Option A, if not P then not Q. Option B, if Q then P. Option C, contrapositive, if not Q then not P. Option D, P and not Q. Option C, contrapositive, that is if not Q then not P. It is correct answer. 17th question. In a syllogism, all A are B and all B are C. Which is valid? Option A, all A are C. Option B, all C are A. Option C, some A are not C. Option D, none of the above. Option A, all A are C. It is correct answer. 18th question. A statement that cannot be both true and false at the same time expresses the law of. Option A, excluded middle. Option B, non-contradiction. Option C, sufficient reason. Option D, identity. Option B, non-contradiction. It is correct answer. 19th question. If a pie chart shows 25% of category A, then total is 200 students. How many students in a A? Here we need to find the total number of students. So 25% I will write 25 divided by 100 into total number of students is 200. So 100 ones are 100 twos are, that is 25 into 2 is 50. So option C 50 it is correct answer. 20th question. Mean of numbers 4, 6, 8, 10 is. Here we need to find the mean of the numbers, that is 4, 6, 8 and 10. To find the mean, just add all the values, that is 4, 6, 8 plus 10. Here we need to divide it by 4 because there are 4 values, that is 4, 6, 8, 10. So here it becomes 28 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 sevens are. That is option B 7. It is correct answer. 21st question. Which diagram best shows part to whole relationships? Option A, bar chart. Option B, line graph. Option C, pie chart. Option D, scatter plot. Option C, pie chart, it is correct answer. 22nd question. Which is an example of an input device? Option A, monitor. Option B, printer. Option C, keyboard. Option D, speaker. Option C, keyboard, it is correct answer. 23rd question. URL stands for. Option A, Uniform Resource Locator. Option B, Universal Reference Link. Option C, Unique Resource Label. Option D, Unified Retrieval Language. Option A, Uniform Resource Locator, it is correct answer. 24th question. Which of the following is a cloud computing? Option A, storing files on local hard disk only. Option B, using remote servers over the internet for storage and services. Option C, printing documents at a home. Option D, sending data by USB stick. Option B, using remote servers over the internet for storage and services, it is correct answer. 25th question. Deforestation mainly lead to. Option A, increased rainfall always. Option B, soil erosion and loss of biodiversity. Option C, improved air quality. Option D, decrease in sunlight. Option B, soil erosion and loss of biodiversity, it is correct answer. 26th question. Sustainable development aims to. Option A, use resources without caring about the future. Option B, meet present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. Option C, stop all development forever. Option D, only focuses on economic growth. Option B, meet present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs, it is correct answer. 27th question. Greenhouse gases causes. Option A, global cooling only. Option B, global warming by trapping heat in the atmosphere. Option C, instant rain everywhere. Option D, increased soil fertility. Option B, global warming by trapping heat in the atmosphere, it is correct answer. 28th question. The apex body for higher education policy in India is. Option A, AICTE only. Option B, UGC, that is University Grants Permission. Option C, NCERT. Option D, CBSE. Option B, UGC, it is correct answer. 29th question. Autonomy for a college typically means. Option A, the college stops following any rules. Option B, freedom to frame its own syllabus and evaluation within regulatory norms. Option C, it becomes private automatically. Option D, students do not need to attend classes. Option B, freedom to frame its own syllabus and evaluation within regulatory norms, it is correct answer. 30th question. The right to education, that is RTE, in India guarantees. Option A, free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 years. Option B, free college education for all the ages. Option C, education only for urban children. Option D, no rule for government in education. Option A, free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 years, it is correct answer. And this is all about this video. If you find that this video is helpful, then please do like and subscribe.